Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, Nihar Designt. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel please. May you knew my channel not like it first, but I definitely confirm that. Stay tuned to keep watch my video. It will be good to see. It will be liked from the beginning, and like will become love. Thank you for subscribe my channel. Let's go to start video. Keep watching end of the video, will feel interesting. Start now. Hope you guys are new, can't cash into your bank. Watch this video. Watch this video first to last. Theme, cash deposit without debit credit, ATM card, easily. Then you can try it. So, let's get started without delay. First, press enter from the keyboard. Go to the screen of the ATM machine. Ask for language selection. I did English, press enter here, will show many options. We will make a cash deposit. We did click account deposit selection. Ask to press your desired account number. You will enter the account number. I have pressed my account number, which means you will deposit cash in that account. You have to give the account number. The right side will show three options. If the account number is correct, you will click a confirm. If wrong, click the clear button, then you can delete it and make it new again. I clicked confirm. The screen will show whether the name of the account holder is correct according to your account number and the account to which you want to deposit cash. Double check the account number and the name of the account holder. If everything okay, click confirm. If wrong, click cancel. According to the machine, each type of machine has a cash and drawer. You can see that the cash drawer has been opened to receive the money. I will cash in now. You can see how to pay the money. 10, 20, 50, 100. These notes are accepted by ATM booths. Its lower small note does not accept coins. You have to wait. The machine is automatically counting the money you have given. If there is a problem with a note, the note machine does not accept it. Problems say, fake notes, taped notes, kept, torn, cracked, dirty. These notes are not accepted by the machine. Many times very fresh notes are not accepted. You see, I am not accepting a note here, 50 note. All is well, just picked up the new one from another booth. Now you can see on the screen, take your cash, giving me back the note. The drawer below has opened. I'm taking the note, changing another note. If you take the cash in the drawer will be closed automatically. Now notice on the skin add to my cash, clicking more add cash, will automatically open cash and drawer again. I'm cashing in again. Wait, money is checking for verification. I think, again, my note was not accepted again. Machine return the case again. I need to collect my cash. This time I folded the note with my hand and rubbed it. I cashed in the same way again. Now you can see that my case is in. Again, waiting a while for verification money and count. I think this time this note machine will accept. Accepted. It has been accepted. Notice on the screen, showing all the amount, how much money I have given, showing the total amount. Is okay as much as I paid, so I clicked confirm. Notice the screen on the right, showing two options, confirm and cancel. How much high you paid, and the calculation money is not the same, more or less, you will cancel. How much high you paid, and the calculation money is not the same, more or less, you will cancel. You have to wait a bit, the machine will finally cash you again. It will give you a slip. We are waiting. He gave me the slip and took it. Now you see the slip. Whether the account number is correct, whether the amount of money is ticked. In your bank slip, you will not be able to see the full account number. Can't see the account holder's name. Only last can see some digits. So when you check it well, double check it. Whether the account holder name is correct according to the account number. Hope you guys are new. Can't cash into your bank. Watch this video.